Hey guys, the idea of growing your wealth may appear daunting and unattainable when you have no money in your bank account to start with. However, regardless of your current financial circumstances, it's essential to realize that you have the power to take small but significant steps toward building a more secure financial future for yourself. Even if you only have a meager amount of money to spare, don't underestimate the impact of starting to save and invest today. It's easy to feel discouraged when faced with limited resources, but remember that every journey to financial stability begins with a first step. But before this video, guys, please like this video and subscribe to my channel as it keeps me motivated to create these videos for you guys. Now, here are a few tips on how to start investing with limited funds. The first one is start learning more about investing. You can adopt this cost-effective approach by utilizing the resources available at your local library and the vast expanse of information on the internet. The more knowledge you acquire about investing, saving, and budgeting, the smoother your journey towards financial management will be, irrespective of the amount you possess. Begin your financial learning process with fundamental aspects, such as understanding how to track your expenses and create a well-structured budget. By mastering these foundational skills, you will lay a solid groundwork for your financial future. As you gain confidence, you can progress to more intricate subjects like in investment strategies, exploring ways to grow your wealth and make your money work for you. The beauty of this self-education journey is that it doesn't require significant financial resources. With access to free materials and online platforms, you can access a wealth of information without any added financial burden. Empowering yourself with financial literacy will enable you to make well-informed decisions and develop smart money habits. The second one is get your employer to match your 401k. If your employer offers a retirement contribution matching program, consider it a valuable opportunity that you should not overlook. This generous benefit can have a significant impact on your long-term financial security. Many employers set a limit on this matching benefit, typically capping it at around 6% of your annual salary. Within this range, they will match a percentage of the contributions you make, which usually ranges from 50% to 100%. Imagine you earn an annual salary of $50,000 and your employer matches 50% of your contributions up to 6% of your salary. This means that if you contribute up to $3,000 annually, your employer would contribute another $1,500. It's essentially like receiving an additional $1,500 in your retirement account for free. Taking advantage of your employer's matching program is a wise financial move if you can afford to do so. By contributing enough to get the full employer match, you are leveraging their generosity to bolster your retirement savings. It's an opportunity to accelerate the growth of your retirement fund without any additional effort on your part. Another one is invest in your career. Your ability to generate income stands as one of the most valuable financial assets you possess. The path of your career significantly influences the amount of money you can accumulate over your lifetime. Therefore, it's crucial to recognize the long-term impact of investing in your professional development. Though the immediate returns on investing in additional certifications, degrees, or training might not be evident today, the potential for future gains can be substantial. These investments in yourself hold the promise of boosting your earning potential as your career progresses. The knowledge, skills, and expertise you gain from further education and training can set you apart in the job market, opening doors to higher paying positions and increase opportunities for advancement. While it's true that pursuing additional certifications or degrees may require financial resources upfront, you should view it as an investment rather than expense. Consider it as an investment in your future self, with the potential to yield significant returns over time. Another one is set up automatic transfers to your saving account. The most straightforward and effective method to save money is by establishing an automatic savings plan through your bank or employer and making it a hands-off process. By setting up automatic transfers to your savings or retirement account, A predetermined amount is regularly deducted from your paycheck without requiring any manual effort on your part. This automation is the key to building your wealth steadily and without any effort. When you consistently allocate a portion of your earnings into your savings or retirement fund, the impact may surprise you. Over time, these small, consistent contributions accumulate and grow exponentially through the power of compounding. As your savings gradually build, the interest earned on your initial contributions starts to generate additional returns, creating a snowball effect that accelerates your wealth growth. Another one is open a high-yield savings account. Supercharge your savings by depositing your hard-earned money into an account that can generate high interest. In recent times, savings account rates have seen a significant improvements, presenting a golden opportunity to grow your money at a faster pace. Numerous banks and credit unions now offer annual percentage yields of over 4%, making it an ideal time to maximize the returns on your savings. Online banks, in particular, are known for providing more competitive interest rates compared to traditional brick-and-mortar banks. Embracing the digital landscape, these online institutions operate with lower overhead costs, allowing them to pass on the benefits to their customers in the form of higher interest rates. By opting for an online savings account, you can potentially earn more interest on your savings, contributing to greater financial gains in the long run. Another one is pay off high interest debt first. Although earning interest on your savings may be enticing, it is crucial to recognize that high interest debts such as credit card balances and personal loans can significantly impede your financial progress. While it may be tempting to prioritize savings and investments, freeing yourself from these debts should be your primary focus. High interest debts can be a substantial drain on your financial resources. The interest payments can quickly add up, making it challenging to build up savings or invest for your future. These debts can also negatively impact your credit score, limiting your access to better financial opportunities and lower interest rates in the future. To regain control of your financial situation, prioritize paying off these high interest debts as soon as possible. Create a well thought out debt repayment plan that aligns with your budget and income. Consider using debt repayment strategies like the debt avalanche method, tackling debts with the highest interest rate first, or the debt snowball method, focusing on paying off smaller debts first for a psychological boost. Another one is have a strict budget. Monitoring your expenses and following the budget plays a pivotal role in creating a financial surplus between your income and expenditures. By widening this gap, you open up the potential to save more money, make investments, and build substantial wealth over time. Leveraging technology can simplify the process. Consider utilizing apps like Mint to automate expense tracking and budget management. When you consciously choose to live within a budget, you gain greater control over your finances, enabling you to retain a significant amount of your earnings each month. This surplus not only provides you with the means to save, but also grants you the financial freedom to pursue your goals and aspirations with greater ease. Well, I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Guys, have you already started investing? Leave your comments down below. So guys, if you like this video, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as it keeps me motivated to create these videos for you guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.